Today I'm going to show you how to use a BIP-85 child seed from your COLDCARD with SeedSigner. One of the biggest advantages of BIP-85 is that it lets your COLDCARD become the source for wallets across your Bitcoin setup. To get started, head to Advanced Tools on your COLDCARD and select Derive Seeds BIP-85. From there, I'll derive a new 12-word BIP-39 seed phrase, which will load into the SeedSigner. Next, on the SeedSigner, I'll choose to restore from an existing seed phrase, and then I'll enter the 12 words that were derived from the COLDCARD. A great thing about BIP-85 is that it makes it easy to dedicate separate wallets to different devices and different purposes. Whether that's another hardware wallet, a mobile wallet, or a SeedSigner, each one can have its own independent seed phrase while still originating from your COLDCARD. Once the seed has been entered, SeedSigner loads the wallet and is ready to sign Bitcoin transactions, just like it would with any other BIP-39 recovery phrase. For more information about BIP-85 and everything else COLDCARD can do, check out coldcard.com.